Here I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use upper bar and let's open the following list, swipe to the left, choose Do Not Disturb. So here you can mute all calls, alerts and media except of your selected exceptions. Let's enable Do Not Disturb, and as you can see, Do Not Disturb pops up right here, so it means that the mode is activated. You can also disable this mode by tapping Do Not Disturb notification. So let me show you again. Let's open the following list. Let's hold down on Do Not Disturb for a couple of seconds, and the following options pops up. So you can turn on or turn off right here Do Not Disturb. You can also use the schedule time, so you can set up the time when Do Not Disturb should be activated. As you can see, you can customize right here this time. You can also allow some exceptions. For example, you can choose no exceptions mode, you can choose alarms only, or you can choose some custom exceptions. So here you can handle with repeat callers, event and task, and reminders. You can also accept some messages and calls from some favorite contacts, for example. Let's go back, and basically that's it. You can also here hide visual notification if you would like to, and you can set up your Do Not Disturb in the following options. You can also find it in settings. The Do Not Disturb settings are located right here under the sounds and vibrations, and here you can find Do Not Disturb. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.